Hi, I'm Julie Donnelly. I'm the developer of the Jules Strauss system. The Jules Strauss system is a series of techniques, self-treatment techniques, that can actually benefit your whole entire body. Many thousands of people worldwide have used the Jules Strauss techniques to eliminate pain, numbness, tingling, lack of range of motion, so many muscle-related issues, in fact, many issues that aren't even considered to be muscle-related. The Jules Strauss system was developed because of my own need to take care of problems that I was having that I couldn't find anybody to help me with, and I figured them out. The Jules Strauss self-treatment system works on a very anatomical and physiological effects of our body. When a muscle is tight and you need to lengthen it, you immediately think of stretching. However, if you stretch and there's a knot in the muscle fiber, which can also be called a spasm, which can also be called a trigger point, all three words work. Think about what would happen if you took a line that was 12 inches long and you tied enough knots in it so it's now 11 inches long. And then you tried to stretch it back to being 12 inches long again. You can imagine what would happen to that line. Well, the same thing happens in your body. If you're stretching a muscle that has knots in it, you're actually overstretching the fibers that are not in the knots, and it's going to cause pain. What you need to do, and what the Jules Strauss system teaches you how to do, is how to apply pressure right directly onto that knot, that spasm, which forces out toxins that are in the muscle fibers and releases it. The body then has a void because you force toxins out, and the body fills that void with blood, which nourishes the muscle. You're also giving it a little bit of a stretch. Now, the way that happens, if you think about if you had a piece of taffy and it was soft and you were holding it out, and it was nice and straight, and then you pushed down in the middle. Your piece of taffy is now going like this. And the only way to make it straight again would be to go like this. The same thing happens with your muscle fibers. As you're applying the direct pressure, you actually are getting a little bit of a stretch. This is happening all through your body, and it's bringing balance back into your body as you work on each of these muscle spasms. You're bringing the balance in between the two muscles, the opposing muscle and the muscle that's actually working. The benefit of the Jules Strauss system is that it relieves the pressure on the knots, which relieves the pressure on the joints. It eliminates chronic pain and brings your body back into balance.